Hi, second grade. Okay, we are going to do, this is lesson 2.6. This is relate, addition, and subtraction. So we're doing both. Okay, your learning target is write related addition and subtraction equations. So this is write an addition equation. Complete the part-whole model to match. Write a related subtraction equation. Okay, so this right here is what we call part. And then this box is kind of showing the whole thing. So this is part of the equation. This is the other part of the equation. And this down here is the whole. So this is what this is talking about. Part, whole. Okay, part, whole model. So this is kind of like showing, this is like an equation. Okay, so this is an equation for addition, and this is going to be the equation down here for subtraction. Okay, so we're just going to make up an equation. So let's say one part of it is, let's just say 7. So I'd put 7 because that's part of it, right? And then let's give another number, let's say 5. 5. So the other part is 5. Okay, now the whole down there is going to be what it equals over here. So 7 plus 5. Okay, well, I could figure it out. Well, I'm going to just tell you is 12. Okay, so your whole is 12. Okay, so write an addition equation. Check, we did that. Write the part whole model to match. Check. And the last part is write a related subtraction equation. Okay, so let's say I just put my 7 in there and I put my 5 in there. Now, is that going to relate to that? Because 7 minus 5 is 2. Does that kind of relate to that? Maybe it does a little bit. But what about this 12? So that's not going to be what we're going to put down there. Do you remember last lesson we talked about fact families? How we have a number, a number, a number, a number, a number, a number. So all these 3 numbers have to be included even down here too. So what could I take here and subtract something from it to get the other? Well, this big number I could probably start with. So let's start with the 12. Let's see, what would happen if I put a 7? Let's think. Yeah, it would also be 5. So these two relate to each other. Okay. All right, let's go to the next page and talk more about the part whole. Okay. So let's look at this equation over here, this example. So it says 6 plus 9 equals 15. And then 15 minus 6 equals 9. So you see they have 3 numbers and they have 3 numbers, so they match. So this one, part of the equation up here was 6, and then 9, and the whole of it, or what it equaled, was 15. So over here it says addition and subtraction equations are related when they have the same parts and whole. Okay, so let's look at this one down here. Number 1. So they give us the equation. 5 plus 3 equals what? Well, it equals 8. Okay, let's go ahead and do it down here. 5, 3, and what does it equal? 8. 8. 8 minus 5, look at 8, take away 5, the other part is 3. Okay, look at this one. 4 plus 7 is 11. So put the 4, the 7, and the whole. It's 11. 11 take away 4. 11 take away 4. What's going to be left in there? 7. Okay, so you see how each number is used. Each number is used. Each number is used. So let's look at the next one, number 3. Okay, 3 plus 9 equals what? Okay, well, we can just add on. What plus 9? I'm going to start with 9 and add 3 more. So I'm going to think about 9. I'm going to add on 1, 2, 3. So it'd be 10, 11, 12, right? So the answer is 12. 12 take away 3. We know that these are related, right? So the only number left is 9. 9. Right, number 4 says 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. Look, we had that 14. 14 take away 8. The only thing left is that 6. So you see how they all relate here? They're like fact families. Okay, let's see if you can do 5 and 6 by yourself, and then I will show you the answer. So go ahead and pause the video and try these. Go ahead. Okay, let's go over number 5 and 6. You should have already had some time to work on it. All right, so 5, you should have gotten 15. And then down here, you should have gotten 8. And then over here is 18. And then 9. This is a doubles fact. Okay. All right. How about you go ahead to the other page, and I'd say pause the video and see how many of these you can do by yourself. Okay. All right, I'm going to go over the answers for all of these on this page 73. All right, so I should add 9 and then 5, 12, 8. Okay, these bottom ones, maybe you noticed, there's always going to be 3 ways to do them. 3, 8, 11, 3, 8, 11, 3, 8, 11. So there's always going to be 3 different ways that you can write these. At least. All right, the bottom one says structure. So this is like fact families. Complete the number bond, write related addition and subtraction equations. So 8, so think about this 15. How can you get 15? 8 and what? So 7 and 8 make 15, right? So you could add those together, right? So you could say 8 plus your 7 equals 15. You could also take 15, you always want to take your bigger number when subtracting. 15 take away 8. What are you going to be left with? 7. And then again, take your big number, since we're subtracting, take your bigger number first. If you took away 7, you'd be left with your 8. Okay? All right. Go ahead and go to the next page on 75, and that is your homework.